मजेदार वीकेंड के बाद आपके वीकडेज को भी करने के लिए तरोताजा। हियर आई एम विद योर फेवरेट शो मैरीगोल्ड। और पहले नजर आज की हेडलाइंस पर। करिश्मा नजर आ रही है नए अवतार में। पान सिंह तोमर आई एम कलाम की स्क्रिप्ट राइटर संजय चौहान से होगी खास मुलाकात। करीना का किससे है फेविकॉल कनेक्शन, जानेंगे आप। तो ये रही आज की हेडलाइंस। और बॉलीवुड दीवा करिश्मा कपूर जुड़ गई एक नए साड़ी ब्रांड से, जिसके लिए उन्होंने करवाया फोटोशूट और की अपने इस नए अवतार और उनके अब तक के बदलते फैशन के टेस्ट के बारे में खास बातें।
जो ड्रेस पहन रही हूँ मेरी बेटी को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा because it's pink and it's festive and looks like a little Barbie doll. मैं अपनी मम्मी के दुपट्टे और हाई हील्स पहन के मैं डांस करती थी and all. Yeah, definitely.
It started in 1971. By my mom. It's named to Neeru. That's my wife's name. It's my mom's decision that she wanted to keep a name on her name. We got the entire range of sarees from girlish to a woman and a lady. And this store we giving importance for silk. So for silks we got a complete awesome collection from Kanjivaram to Banaras.
Neeru's has already come into kids in the form of little Neeru's, jewelry in the form of Yuva by Neeru's, and we also are starting up with menswear first time in Emporio, and that's going to be called as Neeru's Men's, and that's men's with the Z. So that's you should watch out for that now.
Raja Hindustani was my first film as a photographer when I started off. और तभी लोलो, if you remember, बहुत बड़ी बात हुई थी। मनीष मल्होत्रा, करिश्मा कपूर reinventing Indian fashion in heroines, and she reinvented herself then, and I was part of that whole process. So from there to here, what I've seen is absolutely a change which is very radical. I think she's superb for anything. I've shot her in the skimpiest of outfits, and I'm today shooting her in bridals, and she just is perfect for everything.
When you go to a store, you don't want it to be all clustered and bhara. You want your own shopping space, own peace of mind. You're sitting and somebody's catering you with the best of technology and everything. So we've got new iPads there so that you can browse through the whole collection in one go instead of looking each piece whole. When you talk about high-tech things, adding technology to something, that doesn't necessarily mean it's an expensive place. It's totally affordable for every kind of market at one place.
Emporio is offering an amazing experience to customers, because firstly the new store is 30,000 square feet, and where do you get that kind of experience today? जब आप वहाँ जाओगे और 30,000 square feet में आराम से बैठ के आप अपने कपड़े choose कर सकते हैं. It's a luxurious experience to just go there and to shop like that, and I think that's pretty amazing. First of all, it's Emporio that we're talking about here. It's Neeru's Emporio coming up in Jubilee Hills Road number 36. We are going to cater the whole of not just Hyderabad or South India. It's going to be national coverage. It's going to be international, even on magazines which we have Indian friends in, say, UK, say, US or Australia. Definitely the sari. I think Indian women look beautiful in saris and most elegant. Like the wedding season or festive colors are so wonderful and vibrant. So I think it's nothing about what's in or not. I think you should wear things that suit you. And definitely sab kehte hain ki colors look so beautiful. So, you know, anything bright and nice. Fashion is evolving. I think sabhi log bahut hi fashion conscious ho gaye hain. So I think that's a good thing. I think that's good for brands, that's good for designers, and also good for actors, and I think the audience also, because you know, then they get so much choice on what they like to wear. That was another path-breaking movie because the hairstyle and the look and the salwar kameez also from the 60s came back, and you know, the fitted look, you know. Zubeda kind of changed the trend because us film mein we wore real jewelry, you know, borrowed from, you know, princesses and stuff like that. So it was an amazing experience, most definitely, and very real, very authentic clothes. Created the whole shopping abroad experience started from there because we wore clothes that were picked up from shops and got in and, you know, restyled for films. I think I've been lucky to have been in fashion path-breaking movies, yes. BB #1. Yeah, I think known for its saris and the simple look, yes. हमेशा हीरोइंस को कहते हैं ना कि टाइट पहनो, शॉर्ट पहनो, तो इस फिल्म में तो द हीरोइन वाज वेयरिंग लूज कार्गो पैंट्स बट इट स्टिल लुक्ड ग्लैमरस. ओके, बस गाइस.